Hello guys, this is Storm 101 here. And today I'm going to show y'all the severe weather outlook for August 1st, 2018. Now, kind of a little surprised by this because yesterday there was nothing there, no risk or anything. Now, there is a risk for severe weather for parts of the Mid Alantic and Northeast for tomorrow. Before I start this video, I want to tell y'all to please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's right under the download, the big red box, and also leave a like and a comment and tell me what y'all think about this, because this is my second time doing this, so it could be bad or whatever. Now, let's start with the jet stream or the wind speed from the NAM model. There's not much going on in the Northeast. In the risk area that I see, there isn't much. There's a little bit of green in there, but there's just not much in there. Vorticity, it's pretty good. That's all I could say is there's scatter, purples, pinks, and blues all around in the southeast. And it moves along up northeast. There's a good amount of them coming from North Carolina and South Carolina. And it really comes up in Tennessee, Virginia. And it becomes a line. And it kind of approaches to northeast, and some of it it's kind of staying in the same spot in eastern Kentucky and Tennessee and West Virginia, and it kind of goes up into Ohio, Pennsylvania, and New York State. But for the most part, there isn't much for the risk area in particular. We go to the next. Dew points. It's really good. Still very humid in the southeast. It really comes up around Maryland, Delaware, Virginia, and New Jersey. Showing 74, but for some reason the thing says on my thing, the mouse, saying it's on lower inside, so I don't know what's wrong with it. But it does show in the 70s. Isolated spots could see going over 75. If we go to Berkshire Cape, still some of it's sticking around in Kentucky, and it really comes up into New Jersey, Delaware, Virginia. So it's pretty good. It's pretty good. A lot of it's coming up in South Carolina and North Carolina. If we look at helicity, pretty good up in Ohio for the next 12 hours, and it kind of expands into West Virginia and Pennsylvania. It really does explode. See, this should be showing in the hundreds, not in like in the 30s, so don't know what's wrong with it, just please don't ask me. It moves up into New York State, Massachusetts, Connecticut, and kind of moves up into Vermont and New Hampshire, probably up into Maine. EHI, yeah, it's pretty good as well. Like I said, only one's showing like none around here, but there's quite a bit. That'll be like in the 2 range. That's the next 36 hours, and it kind of goes away and a little bit kind of returns to South Carolina. Low level lap rates, and it's alright. It's pretty good, especially in Virginia, up into Maryland. I got all those spots. And if we go into the supercell composite, it's pretty good for the next 9 hours. That'll be midnight at this point of time, the time of recording this. Yeah, up in the orange, that's 2 to 3. If y'all don't know, it really comes back up in Pennsylvania. Let's go ahead and click there. Just waiting. Yeah, tornado. Damaging winds isn't much, but the cap is open, so storms can develop. Let's try in a different area. Let's see. Let's try this. Tornado. Damaging wind is more likely. The cap is almost there. Not there quite. You don't want the cap if you want storms to develop. If the cap is there, storms cannot develop. If it's not there, then storms will blow up like crazy. Now time for the Storm Prediction Center. They just updated this a few minutes ago. See, they issue a slight risk for Virginia, Maryland, up into Pennsylvania. They got a little bit in New Jersey and in southern New York State. And as you can see here, there's a marginal risk down here as well. It's mostly just going to be monsoons and all that stuff. Mainly damaging winds for down there. For up there, I'm going to say it's probably just going to be damaging winds. I have not been checking up there, so I'm going to be guessing it's going to be damaging winds, heavy rain, all that good stuff. Over here, it seems like it's just going to be damaging winds, I would say. Yeah, damaging winds is a big threat. 15%, tornadoes 2, and hail is 5. Let's see, summary. Strong to severe storms are possible parts of the Northeast with an isolated potential in the upper Midwest and the southern high plains. So, yeah. Now, if we look at my forecast, it's hard to tell, but there's I issue a moderate risk, not moderate, marginal risk. I'm sorry. For Iowa, got a little bit in Illinois. Like I said, monsoons could be a thing in New Mexico, and then where I've been seeing most of the gradients come in place is just around in this area. I might move it more to the west and south in the next update if I do. This is August 1st. That's the time it's going to be happening. It's day 2. So yeah, that's all I have for y'all today. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like and comment what y'all think about the video, and also don't forget to subscribe if y'all want to. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Goodbye.